Oh, hi. Hi, little one. Jeez. Ah. Good morning. Back at the farm. We got a lot of snow. And the thing with southern Minnesota, when it's windy, it's extremely windy. So we've actually got drift that's about a foot taller than the truck and 200 feet long, packed like a rock. I'm gonna see if I could actually make it onto our yard and unload. I've got about 1,000 pounds of wood, probably about a face cord of, it's either oak or sugar maple. Haven't really looked super closely at check yet. But we're gonna unload that, and then I got an Alaskan sawmill from the best wife in the world for Christmas. And I'm gonna see if I can cut up a couple logs into slabs today. A good morning workout. Cut it to 1 3/4. We're gonna plane it down to 1 1/2 and cut this backside straight. Shelves. But the cool thing is they came from that tree instead, and they're gonna spend their life right about there. Gonna go.
Wait, is the house gonna go right here?
Yeah, so like right where we're standing. You'd be in the entryway, like living room right now.
Really?
Yeah.
Are they gonna do that for Christmas?
Yeah.
I didn't even know they made those.
Isn't that sweet? And just maintain, you can have the trigger all the way down, but then it's not like revving all the way up.
Like a real man. You need to get you some flannel. Hey, Britt. Hey. Oh, look at you.
Nice cut.
Dang, you need to be a real man to use that thing. That's a powerful friggin' saw.
I am exhausted. It's pretty tiring doing this. So I'm gonna go back, rest, get some food, drink a lot of water. Ugh. I'm gonna figure out what I'm gonna do for the rest of the day. I think Papa P is snow blowing the driveway. There's a snowdrift that's about 1.5 feet taller than the Suburban, so like, I don't know, 7, 8 feet tall, and then 200 feet long, and it's packed rock hard, so that's a job. I mean, he's got a tractor snowblower, so it's like 6 feet wide, 3 feet tall, 7 feet wide maybe. So it's a big one, but that's hard snow. I'm gonna take a break. I'm exhausted. So I've got 13 slabs cut up already, but after 13 slabs, I don't know, it's cutting a little slower, and actually the scrunch fell out of the handle and nailed one of the teeth on the chain. I don't know where it's at now, but it's a pretty dull tooth now, so we'll give it a little touch up. Dang it. So I'm in the old pump house off the barn. The place is absolutely full of really old antiques. Would have been my grandpa's, my great-grandpa's, my dad's. But the backside of it's collapsing. And there's a ton of old stuff in here I'd love to save. So I'm gonna pull it out before it collapses. It'll be a good project. Lots of stuff to restore and bring back to life, you know, old antiques. We'll start pulling it out, maybe go over it in the morning. So today, I'm cutting down this walnut tree. There's actually, I don't know, about 4 or 5 of them here. So, I'm gonna cut it down and mill it today. It looks like it's gonna give us like some 12-inch boards. Looks good. Ooh, man, that's gonna be good. I'll call my dad out here and have him take a look at this. So I pulled out a whole bunch of antique tools from the pump house just because it's kind of collapsing. This barn doesn't have a whole lot of years left. And bringing them back here to where they used to store the
Hey, and the silage, coincidentally, is where I keep all my old Christmas presents. Thanks, Santa. But good place to put them here just until we officially move into the barndo, and then gonna clean them up a little bit just to keep their antique patina, but keep them here for now and a little bit more protected in the pump house.